So welcome back to the next lesson in the Python tutorial. The first few lessons we looked at adding some text, printing some text onto the screen. We looked at variables. We looked at the input function, and we also looked at defining an if statement. So if something equals another thing, then we're going to print the correct answer. Now what we want to do today is to add an else function in. So that's what happens if the answer is incorrect. Okay, so as you can see, we've got our program as we left it last time, and I've moved on to a new line, and I've moved back to the beginning of that line. And I'm going to type in else. Now, the good thing about this program, about this Replit website as well, is it actually helps you when you're typing find what you're looking for. So it's got completion. Okay, so I can start typing else, and I can actually click to complete that. Okay, now we're going to add in a colon at the end of that. Go on to a new line. It will automatically pick up that it should be indented with a tab, and we're going to print that is incorrect. Very simple. Okay, so now if I run the program, well, let's see both ways of running it. So I'm going to put in my name, I'm going to type in the answer correctly, and it said that this is the correct answer. Let's run it again. I'm going to type in the shortened version of the school name there and press enter. And it said that's incorrect. And it's always useful when you're writing your program to test it and test both extremes. So don't just test the right answer, test what happens with the wrong answer, just to make sure that that is correct. So we now know that my program from line 1 through to line 12 is working correctly. Okay, so that's how we add an else statement in to extend our if and else statement there, our if and else function. Okay, join me in the next one and we'll be looking at how we can keep score.